Hear that? That's the sound of raw power, the result of a perfectly tuned engine. Hi there, I'm your guide through this thrilling journey. With years of experience under my belt, I've turned the art of engine tuning into a science, squeezing out every ounce of performance potential from a variety of vehicles. In the next 10 minutes, we'll unlock the mysteries of engine tuning, exploring everything from why you might want to tune your engine, to the different methods available and even some important considerations before you dive in. We'll pull back the curtain on the tuning process itself and finish off with some post-tuning maintenance tips. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or a curious novice, this guide will provide valuable insights into the world of engine tuning. So buckle up and prepare to plunge into the world of engine tuning. So why would you want to tune your engine, you might ask? Well, there are several compelling reasons to consider this upgrade for your vehicle. First and foremost, tuning your engine can result in significant performance gains. It's all about unlocking your car's potential and allowing it to perform at its peak. You see, most engines come from the factory set to operate well within a safety limit. Tuning allows you to push these boundaries and tap into hidden horsepower and torque. To put it simply, it's like unleashing a beast that's been held back. But it's not just about raw power. Tuning your engine can also lead to improvements in fuel efficiency. By optimizing the air-fuel mixture and ignition timing, you can ensure that each drop of fuel is used to its maximum potential. This not only gives you more bang for your buck at the pump, but also contributes to a cleaner and greener driving experience. In addition to power and efficiency, tuning can enhance your vehicle's drivability. It can make your car respond more eagerly to your inputs, offering smoother gear changes and quicker throttle response. This means you get to enjoy a more engaging and responsive drive, whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open road. Lastly, engine tuning allows for personalization. Every driver is unique, and so are their preferences. Maybe you prefer a smoother, more relaxed drive, or perhaps you like the thrill of a sporty, high-performance ride. With tuning, you can tailor your vehicle's performance to your individual tastes. Just imagine the possibilities. A car that performs exactly the way you want it to, responds precisely to your commands, and delivers power and efficiency in a way that suits your driving style. It's like having a custom-made suit, but for your car. As you can see, tuning your engine can drastically enhance your vehicle's performance and driving experience. It's about making your car more enjoyable to drive, more efficient, and uniquely yours. So, are you ready to unleash the beast? Now that you're convinced, let's delve into the various ways you can tune your engine. The first method we'll discuss is chip tuning. This involves remapping your engine control unit, or ECU. Think of it as the car's brain. By tweaking its software, we can adjust parameters like fuel injection and ignition timing to squeeze out more power or improve fuel efficiency. It's a quick and efficient method, but it's not without its drawbacks. It's vital to ensure that your ECU remap is completed by a professional, as poorly executed remaps can lead to engine damage. Next up, we have performance parts. These are physical components you can install to enhance your engine's performance. Air intake systems, for instance, can increase the amount of oxygen available for combustion, leading to more power. Exhaust modifications, on the other hand, can reduce back pressure and improve engine efficiency. And let's not forget about spark plugs. High-performance spark plugs can improve combustion efficiency and power output. But remember, quality matters. Cheap parts can cause more harm than good, so invest wisely. Lastly, we have the DIY versus professional tuning debate. DIY tuning can be a rewarding experience, especially for car enthusiasts who enjoy getting their hands dirty. You have complete control over the process and can customize your car to your exact specifications. But this method requires a substantial amount of knowledge and skill. Without it, you risk damaging your engine or even making it unsafe to drive. That's where professional tuners come in. They have the experience, equipment, and expertise to ensure that your engine is tuned safely and efficiently. They can help you achieve your performance goals without compromising the longevity of your engine. Remember, while DIY tuning can be rewarding, professional tuning ensures optimal results and safety. So whether you're looking to boost your car's performance or improve its fuel efficiency, there's a tuning method that's perfect for you. Scene script. Before you rush off to tune your engine, there are some important considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, let's talk about warranty implications. Tuning your engine may void your car's warranty depending on the manufacturer's terms and conditions. So it's a good idea to check these terms before you start. You wouldn't want to find out later that your warranty has been invalidated, especially if you run into major issues down the line. Moving on, we have to consider legality and emissions. different regions have different regulations when it comes to vehicle emissions and modifications. You'll need to ensure that your tuned car complies with local laws to avoid hefty fines or even a ban from the roads. Remember, it's not just about making your car faster or more efficient. It's about doing it responsibly and in line with the rules. Now let's turn our attention to choosing the right tuner. Engine tuning is a delicate task that requires experience and knowledge. You want to trust this task to a professional who knows what they're doing and has a solid reputation. Do some research, read reviews, ask for recommendations. The wrong tuner can do more harm than good, so choose wisely. Finally, we can't ignore the elephant in the room: budgeting. Engine tuning can be a costly venture, depending on the methods and parts you choose. It's important to have a clear understanding of your budget and the costs involved before you dive in. You don't want to end up halfway through the process and realize you can't afford to finish it. So, plan ahead, do your research, and make sure you're financially prepared for this project. With these considerations in mind, you can make a well-informed decision about tuning your engine. Curious about what goes on during a tuning session? Let's walk through the process. It all starts with diagnostics and baseline tests. It involves checking the engine's health before making any modifications. Think of it as a medical checkup for your car. The engine's performance is measured and any potential issues are identified. Next, we move on to customizing the ECU maps. The Engine Control Unit, or ECU, is essentially the car's brain. It controls various parameters like fuel injection, ignition timing, and turbocharging. Tuning software is used to adjust these parameters to enhance the engine's performance. It's a bit like tweaking the settings on your computer to get it running just the way you want. Now comes the exciting part: dyno testing. The car is placed on a dynamometer, or dyno for short. This machine measures the power output of the engine. While on the dyno, the car is run through various speed and load scenarios. This allows the tuner to see how the engine performs under different conditions and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, the car is fine-tuned. The tuner makes final adjustments based on the dyno results. This ensures that the engine performs optimally across all scenarios. It's like tailoring a suit. Every adjustment is made to ensure a perfect fit. And that, in a nutshell, is how professionals tune an engine for maximum performance. Once your engine is tuned, your journey isn't over. Let's talk post-tuning maintenance and tips. After tuning, your engine enters a break-in period. It's crucial to drive sensibly during this phase, allowing your engine to adapt to its new settings. Avoid aggressive accelerations and high RPMs. Regular maintenance becomes even more essential post-tuning. You're pushing your car beyond its factory settings, so treat it with extra care. Opt for high-quality oils and fluids and stick to a strict maintenance schedule. Monitoring your engine's performance is also key. Keep an eye on vital signs like temperature, fuel efficiency, and throttle response. Notice any changes? It may be time for a checkup. And remember, tuning isn't a one-and-done deal. Based on your goals, you may want to consider further upgrades down the line. Whether it's a new exhaust system or enhanced air intake, the possibilities are endless. With proper care, your tuned engine can deliver thrilling performance for years to come. So there you have it, a quick guide to engine tuning. We've explored the benefits such as performance gains, fuel efficiency improvements, and the joy of personalization. We've also covered different tuning methods, important considerations before tuning, and the tuning process itself. And remember, post-tuning maintenance is crucial. Engine tuning is more than just a one-time tweak. It's a continuous journey of adjustments and improvements. Tune in next time as we delve deeper into the world of car modifications. Don't forget to subscribe to IC Addicts for more. Drive safe, everyone.